Well, it's a nice hot Saturday afternoon here at the shop. What do you figure, Alex? About 100, 110?
Oh, at least.
At least, right?
Humidity through the roof.
It sucks.
Oh, it does. Even the cigarettes don't want to stay lit right now.
But at least you get to lay down under the car and paint.
That is the coolest place in the shop right now.
Yeah. Well, it
can
would be. Concrete floor.
Oh, dude, you can lay down there and it's like a 40-degree difference. You can actually take a nap.
Oh, look. Uncle Kathy is filming.
She is here.
She is here. And so is our audience.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's bring the viewers up to speed. And we have...
Something going on outside.
Yeah, we have Stuby.
Stuby's here.
Yes. So, what are you doing on the car?
Okay, well, on the last couple updates, everybody knows the wiring's done.
And you did a masterful job of it.
We got the brake lines done.
You should show this off. Just you see, as you're talking about the way you do it is as you're talking about the thing.
Oh, yeah.
You go like this.
You got to do the Vanna White thing.
Yeah.
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 So basically, we got wiring harness. We decided to do the wiring inside of the frame versus being on the fender wall. We wanted to keep it clean, and it also makes it a lot better to when we're pulling the motors out.
Yeah.
Everything's out of the way.
I think we need to spice it up just a little bit. Just when you point something out, just pause for a second. Okay? Yeah, point something out.
All right. Well, as you can see here, the wiring harness. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All inside of the frame. We got brake lines.
Ooh. Actually, you did a really nice job on the other side.
Oh, thank you, sir. Let's go check the other side. And for all of y'all that have been watching, you know that we went with pre-linked lines. It worked for us.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
And then some.
And
it's
of course,
much, much better than factory.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That looks like NASA quality work.
Well, you know, I try my best.
You've tried beyond your best. Nobody can top that.
But the new master cylinder. Oh, did I mention that we do have brakes now?
A functional pedal.
Yes, functional pedal.
Yes. So that's it. Now I got the tires and wheels getting mounted right now, so we'll have this thing rolling on the slots.
The tires that are going to be on it for Power Tour.
Yes. So we'll have that. We'll have those this afternoon. You got the fuel cell strapped down.
Yes.
With that absurdly expensive length
I
of...
cannot believe the prices on this stuff anymore.
I went to Home Depot this morning, right? So I needed to get two things. We're doing a video on electrolysis. Professor Weirdbeard from the Junkyard Jet, he's got this thing going on where we're going to start doing electrolysis for rust removal. So I picked up this tub, right? Just a plastic tub, like a tote. And this. The length of this stuff. Just to hold down the fuel cell. $30.
For 71 inches.
Seriously. I spent $30 for a $5 tub and a $2 length of steel. Yeah.
It's ridiculous right now.
Inflation, baby.
But as you can see, it's installed. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let's check out Stuby. See what's going on out there.
I'm going to go back to painting.
Yes. Have fun. Stuby!
Yo, what up, Tony?
What's going on, brother man?
Another day of paradise.
I see you're finally getting to work on this thing.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Hot, but good.
Well, why are you working on it out here?
Had no room in there.
Ah, okay.
Well, that's fine. I don't mind a little bit of sun.
So listen, you have everything. All right, we know that we got to pull this motor. You know, obviously, you're pulling the motor out now.
Right.
We know that we're gonna have to ring it at least. Okay, we know we got to go through the cylinder head. Do you have all the rest of the stuff?
I believe so.
Where?
Front seat, back seat.
Front seat, back seat?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what he's got. Okay. All right. I found your buckets.
Oh, yeah.
There's nothing in them.
They're the buckets.
Okay. Well, you can't curse like that.
Sorry.
Yeah. All right. So there's your intake manifold, carburetor. There's a valve cover. Okay. All right. I see you put your push rods in order.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually,
Very nice.
actually, they are in order. For at least I know. That's front.
Okay. Very nice. All right. What else we got here? Okay, it is your alternator. Now we got to pop this head apart.
Yeah.
Valve cover gasket, rocker shafts, the alternator and bracket. Nice. Nice. I see you got a Jacobs coil.
Yeah.
Oh God, what are you gonna do with this?
I was thinking about putting her on her, but I don't know.
An ultra coil. You know what? I want to see if this thing works.
Feel free.
I want to test this
There's
against.
that piece, and then there's the rest of it's right here.
Yeah, the hell with that. I want to test this thing back to back with a super coil and see if these are any good.
Okay.
All right, so that's we got. Well, yeah. Is that a camshaft?
No.
Those are lifters.
Yeah.
All right, so you,
Those are old ones. Those are the old ones.
okay. All right, so then
Intake exhaust.
I saw all of that.
Carburetor's just been rebuilt before putting it back on.
All right.
I got that one, and I got a 2-barrel in there too. I was trying to fit on there, but
I have a Super 6 intake for a price.
of course,
Yeah.
we can work that out.
We'll work something out. All right, so I don't want to stop you from getting this thing out of here. I'd like to, if we can get this out this weekend and get it torn down.
I've got one bolt left. I've got one bolt in the bell housing. That's it. So.
All right. You know, this is really a solid car. Are we gonna put the air conditioning back on it?
I do not have the air conditioning anymore.
Okay. All right. Well,
That
I'm
got
gonna.
lost in all the moving around. Kind of hate it, but sorry. Stuff.
Yeah, we have to keep
Yeah.
cutting that out. But that's okay. It's good. It's good. All right, guess we have something to do. Keep that in. All right, brother man. I don't want to be in your way anymore.
All I really need is if we can get a cherry picker out here real fast.
Help yourself.
Awesome.
All right, that's it. Well, there's this Saturday, the blazing hot Saturday afternoon update, and I'll see you tomorrow.
So Tony, you've asked us about what we were doing today and what's going on. What do you got going on?
Oh, important things. I can't really explain. You won't understand.
Maybe I will.
I don't want to confuse Stuby.
I thought he was outside.
No, he's everywhere.
Stu's everywhere.
Yeah, I didn't tell you about that.
He's the one that moves my hood pins at night.
I didn't
Yeah.
tell you about that. Yeah, he's right. Once you let Stuby into your environment, like if you invite Stuby in,
It's over.
yeah, then he's just everywhere.